working. Oh, there we go. Mic's on. There. I don't know what happened. Headphones are taking over the mic. Okay. Sorry about that. All right. Put that there. Okay. We waited long enough. Let's get to it. I'll minimize that. And okay. All right. So let's just get to this. The orb strategy. Do y'all know what orb means? Orb. 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 Opening, range, outbreak. And why do we care? Right? Wish I had my sound. I want my headphones back on. I can't hear myself talk. This might not work. Let's see. Sorry, everybody. Oh, there we go. Sound is working. Okay. All right, let's get to this. Yeah, I'm sorry. We're good, we're good, we're good. Here we are. We're good. Okay, 134. Okay, so orb. Let's get this SPY chart to earlier. Okay, here we are. We're going to maximize the sizing here. We're going to be in the 15-minute time block right there. We're going to find the first 15-minute opening candle. So for me, 7:30 is my opening time since I'm Mountain Time. So 7:30 is Mountain Time. This is the first opening candle of the morning, after hours and all that. So we're going to maximize our size here. 7:15, 7:30, and then 7:45. So I would use the 15-minute candle, the completion of that 15-minute candle in that first spot. So we're going to go ahead and drop some lines, include the wicks, okay? Include the wicks. Top and bottom. I have it extended to the right, so it goes on forever. You don't have to do that. You can adjust it how you like. This is pretty easy today after several red days, right? This one's pretty simple. So let's kind of squish this down. The whole point of orb is to give you a trend, an idea of how the day is going to go. So right away, we have a top line of that candle and the bottom line of the candle. If you have a candle that comes out of that line, so breaks out of the line, whether it be up or down, comes back down to confirm and then rebounds, overall, it's going to be that direction of a day until it's not. we right we play the news very heavily right now, and so that's a bit tough to do technicals. But you see this right here tells me a signal to go long because of the way the trend is working. Now it might say right here close entry because it might reverse right here and drop, but that's just for a very, very small window. I'm talking 497. So $10 range. I mean that's pretty significant if you had a call down here, right? But for orb, it is really this simple. It really is. It takes minutes to learn this. 15 minutes of your first opening completed candle of your day. Right here. Boom. Mark top, bottom with the wicks. Wait for confirmation. one that comes up, retests the line, and then rebounds. Now, right here gets a little iffy, right? We weren't sure if it was going to kind of drop back into this channel and then keep going south, or was it going to come back up? But we did. It rebounded, stayed right along that line. Now, if you wanted to, you're supposed to include the candles wicks, but you could drop that down, and it's a bit more consistent, as you can see. Boom, me, boom, boom, wicks down here. But right along those lines. And that's it. That's it. It's that easy. For today, it broke out, it came down, it retested, and it stayed above that line. That's it. We can use that for anything. Let's I don't know what we want to use. Let's go with Avgo, Broadcom. All right, 15 minutes. Boom. 7:45. Let's get this thing a bit more central so we can really get that line going. Pop, pop. There's your lines. And I mean, it's clearly like, of course, it is 1:30. If it have the entire day, right, to see on the chart that clearly it went above that line and it was going to be a bullish day. This is a strategy more for day traders than it is swing traders because you don't know how this is going to open up tomorrow, right? Now, if we're in a bull market where everything's just been green, 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 happy, 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 then you could probably swing with ORB. But this is more of a day trade. Scalping, it could help you with scalping, but more of a day trade. So here we are, opening line, first completed candle above, confirmation, and then we went from there. That's it. We can end the live right now. That's really all it takes. Let's see if anybody's on here. Let's see. Now, I did go live during Trump's. He's live right now too. So I'm competing with the big guy, you know. Let's see. So there's a few that wanted to jump on. That's good. That's good. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully this is all working out, not being glitchy. It was really glitchy last time. I don't know why. I'm not sure why. Well, I hope this was helpful. I wanted this to be quick, not to be a big long, drawn out live. Just something quick. And looks like, I mean, everything. This is how it works, guys. This is how it works. You could go and choose. Let's choose Ford, right? Let's pick something. Pick something that doesn't move very much and try it. Ford. 7:45. So Ford didn't really do too much, did it? So we have your opening candle, first complete close, 15 minutes. open here, close here. And honestly, if they're this close, it doesn't matter. If you chose the wrong one, you could choose open candle. This is an idea. This is not going to be like a dedicated thing. It can always fail on you, right? So we have open candle. Here's our top line. It looked like it was going to be bullish, but then it would be canceled, came down, didn't work. Not confirmed, not confirmed, not confirmed. This looks bearish, right? Not confirmed, bearish. If it's in this channel, it's just sideways. It could be leading up to an afternoon drop off or rally, but generally it's just going to be sideways. Now, like you saw with SPY, we had confirmation above and then boom, bullish, and same with AVGO. But with forward here, it's just straight sideways. We don't have any confirmation of a bearish movement and no confirmation of a bullish movement. This right here was the most bullish, but it didn't hold. You can see this just diagonal trend line. Now you wouldn't put a trend line there. I'm just showing you like a visual where everything as an average just kind of didn't hold, right? So that's orb. You know, if you're trying to do orb on forward today, obviously this would have told you not to do anything with forward today. Right away in the first what 2 hours, you're just consolidating. Not going to do anything. Let's go with I don't know what else do I go with. Robin, thank you. Have a great day. Yes, you too. I appreciate it. Thank you for dropping by. I don't know. Snapchat? Let's do a tech. Let's do meta. Let's do meta. Let's do meta. Facebook. Okay. 50 minutes. 7:45. I'm just throwing these up here. I'm not like making them super like pretty. Okay. Easy peasy. Didn't even need orb today. And this my indicator right here said open long. First hour open. Not even first half hour open. It said, hey, open long. This is your stop loss box. Open long right there. You know, we could have gone long. There's a long here it is. You know, could have gone long. Boop. Right there. You know, and you're golden. This is a 1-to-1 box. I'm not going to adjust it. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I will. I don't like that big. No one's going to use a stop loss 1-to-1. It's silly. If you use stop losses, obviously you're going to be like 20, 30% max, right? Not on a 1-to-1. Anyways, so yeah, here's your 1 to 2 long position, and we rate. You know, let's move right up to that orb line. That's good. There it is. I mean, look at that. Orb is so easy. It takes no effort to do. It's right there, and it shows you. If you had bought a call right where your orb line was confirmed, full rest of that. Now, technically, I guess, and now that I say that, technically we didn't really have a full confirmation. This candle, oh, it's not responding. Yes, it is. Chill out. It's gonna crash on me. Told you things been glitchy. Ah, the white screen of death. I don't know what's going on. What's happening? All right, like I was saying, this wick here is the closest we got to confirmation. It didn't touch, but I mean, it's very, very, very close as here. And of course, you have your indicator trend lines. They're all in a bullish movement. So this was a great day today to show you orb. Um, oops. I'm gonna hop off here in a minute just because I don't want to take too much time on these lives. There's that. Here's GM. Honestly, just like Ford. Why are you doing this? Just like Ford, flat. And probably because Ford and GM, they're dealing with the tariff stuff out of Canada and Mexico and all of that good stuff. So that's probably why they're flat today, where tech rallied, a little bit. So that's likely what's going on. We just was you were in Roswell not long ago, so I like this cup, nice and big, my alien cup. Keep things weird, right? Okay, that's it. That's Orb. I mean, it's really simple. 15 minutes, top line, bottom line, include the wicks, go out. If it's bullish, wait for a retest, and you're solid. If it's bearish, same thing. Wait for a retest, and you're solid. That's it. You know, that's all. So it's really quite nice. It's quite an easy way to do things. Really straightforward, and I like Orb a lot. I know a lot of good traders use Orb exclusively, and they do well. They do very well. So, so yeah, I guess that's it. Shut things down. Thank you for stopping by, Robin, and anybody else that was watching. I appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. Help out with views and likes, and in my description as well. Look, join us in the Discord. We are doing awesome things over there, and my computer is needing to need to needs to needs to rest today. It's tired. So join us in the Discord and help us out. Help your guys out. Y'all are gonna do great things. You're learning. You're out here learning. That's the whole point of all of this, right? So let's see. Okay, things are working a bit more smooth now. All right, I'm out of here. Thank you so much. Join the Discord, $50 a month, and it gets you access to all sorts of awesome indicators, bots, chats, expert panels. You've got a lot of things getting pulled into our Discord from outside sources all in one spot. Option plays. We're not a copy service. Don't join things copy service, but join us for education, charts, live trading, things like this, like Orb, and we'll go from there. All right, join the Discord at the link. Let's do it.